everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy with another project. Friends, let's make a smushed can door hanger and let's think spring about it. Okay, so here's I think it was from tomatoes. You take both ends off and then you smush one side. I used a press just to see if it would work. It did. And then I'm using my crocodile and I popped some holes on the bottom and I put two on the top for a hanger. Then I paint it with I think I only did one coat of chalk paint. No, it was two. And then I have these beautiful napkins I got from Joann Fabrics. Now, when you get them from Joann's and all that, they usually have 3 layers. So just make sure you get it down to 1 ply. And then I put some, and I cut it in half as well. And then I put some Mod Podge on my can. And I'm starting in the back. And I put a little bit of Mod Podge on. Then I smooth on the napkin. Then I put a little bit more. And I do this all the way around the can. And the reason why is because I found that I wind up going too fast and it gets all wrinkly and it sticks to itself and all the things. So if I went a little bit at a time, I feel like I had a better outcome. But if you can do the whole can and put the napkin on that way, great. And I'm just smoothing this out. I'll be honest with you, I almost didn't want to put Mod Podge on top because I love that matte finish, but I did it anyway. So you'll see here the back, there was I had to splice in another piece of napkin, but this was the back, so we were okay. And again, I put a top coat of the Mod Podge on. I was really close. I almost didn't do it. That matte was just so pretty, but I wanted to make sure that it's held up, so I put a top coat on. Once it dried, I then sanded off the excess. And then look at this. Okay, so I found these little bunnies at Dollar Tree and I just took a bamboo skewer that I cut in half and I'm gluing this onto the bamboo skewer. And then I put it's just a little piece of canvas on the back just to make it look a little less, I don't know, little more finished. And then I took some jute and I'm just lacing it on the bottom. Now you don't have to do this part, but I really like the look of the laced jute on the bottom and that's why I popped the holes in. I did use a crocodile I got at Michael's to make the holes. Everybody always asks that. It is really the best tool on the planet. I love it. Anyways, so lace the bottom with our jute, and then after that I just took the gosh, words are hard, forgive me. All I did was take the jute that was still on that embroidery needle and I just snuck it through, and yeah, I left the jute long. It didn't matter because we're gonna put some floral foam and some florals in it, so I wasn't worried about it. So there you go. Ta-da! Super cute, right? Okay. And then I put a hanger on it as well. And I doubled it, but you don't have to. And as mentioned, I put some floral foam in. I glued it, and then I put some florals in it. There's that little bunny I put in. And then I actually did the same thing with the stick with a little messy bow. And are you kidding me? Look at how cute this is. Friends, I hope this inspires you.